Welcome to Smart Buys. From air fryers and blenders to air purifiers, fire pits, and smart coffee mugs, these top-rated kitchen and home gadgets make cooking, cleaning, and living easier, safer, and more enjoyable, combining convenience, durability, and innovative design for everyday use. All products links in the description section below. Turning your kitchen into a fun, creative dessert station becomes surprisingly effortless with this 12-inch -1 ice cream maker. It blends convenience with customizable flavors, making it perfect for families, late-night cravings, or weekend hosting. Whether you're mixing in chocolate chips, swirling in fruit, or keeping it simple with classic vanilla, it gives you full control over ingredients and sweetness levels. Plus, having to pint containers means everyone gets a chance to craft their own version. And if you've been wanting a healthier, homemade alternative to store-bought pints, this might be your sign to finally try it out. Priced at $169.99 with your ice cream maker for home. If you love the idea of coming home to meals that are perfectly timed, warm, and ready to serve, this Pro's slow cooker brings that kind of calm convenience into everyday life. Its large capacity makes it great for family dinners, meal prepping, or hosting nights when everyone shows up hungry. With multiple cooking functions and a non-stick, PFOA-free ceramic design, it's easy to switch from slow cooking to grilling or steaming without cluttering your counter. Plus, the Ready By feature feels like having a personal cooking assistant. And if you've been wanting one appliance that truly simplifies mealtime, this might be the moment. Priced at $199.99 to upgrade your kitchen routine. When you're trying to stay focused, there's something comforting about knowing your drink will stay warm exactly the way you like it. This coffee mug warmer fits right into that cozy, desk-friendly routine, keeping your coffee, tea, or cocoa perfectly heated while you work, study, or unwind. With its larger heating panel and simple temperature options, it works with almost any cup, making your daily sips feel a little more effortless. And the auto shut-off gives you peace of mind, especially on those busy days when you forget everything else. If you've been wanting a small upgrade that truly lifts your everyday moments, this one's easy to love. Priced at $23.99 for your coffee warmer for desk. Its compact design fits easily on small counters, yet it still delivers multiple coffee sizes whether you're in the mood for a quick espresso shot, a full cup, or something iced on hotter days. The one-touch system makes mornings easier, especially when you're rushing, and the included tasting pack lets you explore new blends right away. If you've been thinking about elevating your daily coffee ritual, this might. Starting your day with a smooth cup that tastes cafe level without the cafe trip feels like a little life upgrade. And that's exactly what this coffee and espresso maker brings to your routine. Be the perfect moment. Priced at $99 for your coffee and espresso maker. There's something special about starting the day with a warm, perfectly crisp waffle, and this Chefman waffle maker makes that simple pleasure totally mess-free. Its anti-overflow mode keeps batter from spilling everywhere, so your counter stays clean while you experiment with fun recipes from classic golden waffles to chocolate, oatmeal, or even cinnamon roll creations. The shade selector gives you full control, whether you like them soft and fluffy or darker and extra crispy. And with its non-stick plates and compact storage, clean up and putting it away are just as easy. If you've been wanting a small upgrade that makes breakfast more enjoyable, this one fits right in. Priced at $26.92 with your anti-overflow waffle maker. Blending soups, prepping sauces, or whipping up quick smoothies gets so much easier when you have a tool that adapts to whatever you're making. This immersion blender fits smoothly into everyday cooking, lightweight enough for one-hand use, yet powerful enough to tackle tougher ingredients without splashing everywhere. Its flexible blade design helps you get smoother textures fast, which is great for busy weeknights or experimenting with new recipes. And with attachments that click on instantly, switching from blending to chopping or whisking feels effortless. If you've been wanting something that adds speed and convenience to your kitchen routine, this one definitely pulls its weight, priced at $109.95 for your handheld immersion blender. There's something calming about brewing tea or heating water in a kettle that feels both modern and easy to use, and this glass tea kettle fits right into that everyday ritual. With quick boiling times and simple temperature presets, it helps you get the perfect heat for tea, cocoa, or pour-over coffee without any guesswork. The LED lights make it fun to use. And the built-in infuser lets you steep loose-leaf blends for yourself or a whole group. Plus, the cordless design makes pouring and serving feel smooth and convenient. If you've been wanting a simple upgrade for your tea moments, this one's a great pick, priced at $27.99 for your glass electric kettle. Movie nights, game nights, or cozy solo evenings feel extra special when you can make fresh, hot popcorn in minutes, and this Dash popcorn maker makes it effortless. Using only hot air, it pops your kernels without oil, while the included measuring cup doubles as a butter warmer for maximum flavor. Compact enough for any countertop, it's perfect for families, students, or anyone who loves quick, homemade snacks. Plus, the recipe guide lets you experiment with flavors beyond classic butter. If you've been craving a simple way to elevate your snack time at home, this little appliance is a winner, priced at $19.99 for your all-free air popcorn maker. Freshly squeezed juice at home can turn an ordinary breakfast into a vibrant, healthy start, and this Zule orange juice squeezer makes it effortless. Its heavy-duty cast-iron design and leverage mechanism ensure you get every drop from oranges, lemons, limeys, or even grapefruits, while keeping seeds behind. Quick and easy to use, it saves time compared to bulky electric juicers and works anywhere, no power needed. With a sturdy, stable base and dishwasher-safe parts, cleanup is just as simple as juicing itself. If you've been looking for a reliable, professional-style citrus press to elevate your kitchen routine, this one is a top choice, priced at $129.99 for your manual citrus squeezer. Scooping ice cream, gelato, or frozen yogurt doesn't have to be a struggle, and this Spring Chef ice cream scoop makes it effortless. Its heavy-duty design glides through even the hardest frozen treats, creating perfectly round, beautiful scoops every time. The comfortable handle keeps your hands warm while you serve, and the ergonomic shape makes it easy to reach every corner of the container. Beyond ice cream, it's perfect for melon balls, cookie dough, or stuffing peppers. Dishwasher safe and built to last, it's a simple tool that elevates your kitchen experience. If you've been looking for a reliable, go-to scooper, this one stands out, priced at $9.99 for your professional ice cream scooper. Keeping food warm while entertaining or enjoying a cozy meal at home can feel effortless with this food warming mat. Its adjustable heat levels and timer settings let you serve everything at the perfect temperature, whether it's soups, hot pots, or baked dishes. The heat-resistant pad protects your table, while its compatibility with glass, ceramic, and stainless steel makes it versatile for everyday meals and special gatherings alike. Safety features like the child lock give peace of mind for family use. If you've been wanting a practical, reliable way to keep dishes warm for everyone at the table, this warming mat is ideal, priced at $54.99 for your family dining setup. Creating mess-free, perfectly sealed tacos, quesadillas, or burritos at home becomes a breeze with this Crimpet tortilla sealer. Simply fill, crimp, and heat for a quick snack or meal that keeps all your ingredients inside, whether you enjoy it hot or cold. It's ideal for busy families, lunch prep, or adding a fun twist to weeknight dinners. Dishwasher safe and BPA free, cleanup is effortless, and the compact design fits easily in any kitchen. If you've been wanting a simple, creative way to make meals both delicious and convenient, this little tool is a game changer, priced at $19.99 for your mess-free tortilla sealer. Keeping your space fresh and comfortable becomes so much easier with this compact Levoid air purifier. Whether it's your bedroom, dorm, or home office, it quietly tackles dust, smoke, odors, and pet dander, so you can breathe easier and stay focused. The 3-in-1 filter works around the clock, and the built-in fragrance sponge adds a calming scent that makes winding down at night even nicer. Its small size fits perfectly on a knit stand or desk, making clean air part of your daily routine without any hassle. If you've been wanting a simple upgrade that genuinely improves your environment, it's a great pick priced at $42.99 for your cleaner home air. If you love quick, healthy cooking, this portable glass air fryer makes life way easier. It replaces multiple appliances with 5 simple one-touch modes, helping you air fry, bake, re-crisp, or keep food warm using up to 90% less oil. What really stands out is the dual container setup, one for single portions and one for family meals, both made of durable, transparent glass, so you can watch your food cook in real time. Cleanup is simple since the pieces are dishwasher safe and everything nests neatly for compact storage. Whether you're in a small kitchen, dorm, or RV, it's an incredibly practical upgrade priced at $109.99 for healthier, everyday cooking. Creating a warm, inviting outdoor space becomes so much easier with a smokeless fire pit that keeps the good vibes going without the eye-stinging smoke. This clean burning design uses smart double-wall airflow to ignite quickly and burn efficiently, giving you a hotter, more enjoyable fire whether you're relaxing on the patio or hosting friends. Its stainless steel build is sturdy yet surprisingly portable, and the removable ash base makes cleanup almost effortless. Perfect for cozy nights, backyard gatherings, or even camping trips, it fits beautifully into any outdoor lifestyle. A sleek upgrade that blends comfort with convenience, priced at $230.70 for unforgettable outdoor moments. If you're always on the move but still want smoothies that taste freshly blended, this premium portable blender fits right into a busy lifestyle. Its powerful rechargeable system handles ice, frozen fruit, and thick mixes with ease, whether you're at the gym, in class, or out on a weekend adventure. The one-button blend and pulse options keep things simple, and the sip from the same vessel design means no extra cups to wash, just blend, lock on the lid, and go. Made with durable, thicker than average materials, it's built to last through thousands of cycles. A sleek, ultra-convenient upgrade for everyday nutrition priced at $91.20, where smooth convenience meets portability. When your days get busy and messes show up without warning, having a cleaner that vacuums and mops at the same time just makes life smoother. This cordless multi-surface machine slides from the kitchen to the hallway to the living room without slowing down, picking up crumbs, spills, and pet messes in one pass. Its edge-to-edge technology reaches into corners most devices miss, and switching to vacuum-only mode is perfect for quick daily touch-ups. With sanitizing power built in, it helps keep your home feeling fresh with far less effort. A practical upgrade for anyone craving cleaner floors with less work, priced at $299.99, making everyday cleaning feel easier. If you love making everything from silky smoothies to hot soups to weekend treats, this professional-grade blender brings that chef-level feel right into your kitchen. With its automated programs, you can blend, crush, heat, or grind with zero guesswork, perfect for busy mornings or creative late-night cooking. The digital timer and self-cleaning mode save time, while the tamper indicator ensures every thick recipe comes out perfectly smooth. Whether you're meal prepping, experimenting with new flavors, or leveling up your daily nutrition, this powerhouse fits beautifully into any modern routine. A premium upgrade built for performance, priced at $699.95, delivering consistent results with ease. When you're cooking, prepping, or just trying to keep the kitchen organized, having a set of bowls that actually adapts to your routine makes everything easier. These stainless steel nesting bowls stack neatly, save space, and come with airtight lids, perfect for storing leftovers or keeping ingredients fresh while you work. The non-slip silicone bottoms help them stay stable on the counter, and the built-in grater attachments make slicing and shredding right into the bowl surprisingly convenient. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or mixing up something new, This set fits effortlessly into everyday use. A practical upgrade for any kitchen priced at $28.49, making cooking feel more enjoyable. A good knife set can genuinely change the way you cook, making prep faster, cleaner, and a lot more enjoyable. This German stainless steel collection brings together every blade you need, from everyday chopping to precise slicing, so you're never hunting for the right tool. The built-in sharpener keeps each knife ready to go, and the comfortable ergonomic handles make long cooking sessions feel easier on your hands. Whether you're learning new recipes, batch prepping meals, or just wanting a tidy, reliable setup, this set slips seamlessly into any kitchen routine. It's a practical upgrade that supports better cooking every day, priced at $45.10, making each slice feel effortlessly smooth. Keeping your kitchen spotless gets a whole lot easier with a tool that's built for every kind of mess. These multi-purpose sponges adapt to the water temperature, giving you firm power for tough grime and a softer touch for delicate surfaces, all without leaving scratches behind. They stay fresh longer, work on almost any material, and fit comfortably in your hand for faster, easier cleaning. A small upgrade that instantly improves your daily routine, priced at $13.99. When mornings get busy, having a mug that keeps up with your routine makes all the difference. This temperature-controlled coffee mug blends smart tech with everyday comfort, letting you choose exactly how warm you want your drink, whether you're working, relaxing, or on the move. The long-lasting battery, spill-resistant lid, and simple one-button control make it incredibly easy to use, and the modern design fits right into any lifestyle. It's the kind of upgrade you don't realize you need it until you try it, and once you do, there's no going back. A cozy, fuss-free way to enjoy every sip, priced at $99.95. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comments section below.